Hi, I'm Prateek, and in this video we're going to be looking at angles classification, a very important way to help classify malocclusions.
Remember, if you want thorough revision notes, exam cheat sheets, CPD, along with a huge bank of exam-style questions and guidelines, head over to ExamineDental.com. We also have expert one-to-one mentoring sessions in order to help you ace those interviews and exams.
Angles classification was developed by Edward Angle, and is one of the first ways that dental malocclusions were actually classified. There are numerous other ways to classify malocclusions, however this is still one of the most common ways. This classification looks at the relationship between the mesiobuccal cusp of the maxillary first permanent molar relative to the buccal groove of the mandibular first permanent molar. There are three classes as part of this classification. In class 1, which is the so-called ideal classification, the mesiobuccal cusp of the maxillary first permanent molar occludes in line with the buccal groove of the mandibular first permanent molar. In a class 2 relationship, the mesiobuccal cusp of the maxillary first permanent molar occludes anterior to the buccal groove of the mandibular first permanent molar. So this would give a patient a retrognathic profile. And in fact, class 2 has two subdivisions. We have class 2 division 1, which is where we have class 2 molars along with either normally inclined or proclined maxillary incisors. And then we have class 2 division 2, which is where we have class 2 molars with retroclined maxillary incisors. And finally, we have class 3. In class 3, the mesiobuccal cusp of the maxillary first permanent molar lies posterior to the buccal groove of the mandibular first permanent molar. Therefore, a patient will have a prognathic facial profile. With each class, you can even be more specific by referring to half unit or full unit shifts, where a unit is the width of a tooth. So in this video, we've looked at angle classification. We looked at the three classes that are involved, along with how you can be more specific with the unit shifts. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, take care.